So I'm Emma. I work here in the Yhnell building at the Neurosciences and Mental Health Research Institute, but also at the Cardiff Huntington's Disease Centre. Huntington's disease is quite a unique disease because we have a known genetic cause, and I went through the preclinical routes doing a lot of work in cellular and animal models of the disease, but really the most important part of that is translating it into people. So that really is the ultimate aim of that type of research, and I really like interacting with people and talking to people. So really the kind of natural progression for that was for me to go into the patient clinic and take the skills that I'd learnt to be able to help people. I personally think engagement is really important in terms of engaging with patients. That's obviously a big part of my job. It also develops future collaborations, for example. So during my research time, I've worked with the Cardiff Institute for Tissue Engineering and Repair. It's a great team of people that really promote the research that we do at Cardiff University in terms of tissue engineering and repair. So as part of that we have Giant Operation Man, for example, and we talk to them about the way that maggots can be used in wound healing. And we also have those types of activities on open days as well, just so that people can have a bit of fun but also learn something new.
It makes science more accessible. In CITA we have a very much interactive and hands-on approach to get the children engaged. They are the scientists of the future. It raises our profile of science and allows a better understanding of what we do as researchers, whilst raising the profile of the university as a whole.
To understand what the role of the university is across the many different departments is essential for public engagement. We want to show that this is part of our community. It isn't something which is excluded from the experience of the local community or from Wales as a whole. The world of science is always surrounded by this idea that it isn't accessible, and we really need to show that everything we do in science is for the benefit and the advancement of society, and therefore society has to be brought in to engage with science and the scientists involved. You know, if you want to shape your own community, you've got to understand what is shaping that community.
So I think engagement and doing engagement well is really a key skill that is valued in science, but also more kind of generally. I was lucky enough to be chosen to present my research in Parliament back in April as part of the Set for Britain event, and that generated a lot of media attention in terms of radio interviews and things like that. And it is perhaps a little bit scary, perhaps you're a bit apprehensive about that, but particularly because I'm working with a disease that's quite rare, any media attention that we can get to promote the disease, promote awareness and understanding is really important. You know, you should be proud of the research you're doing, so you should be able to tell people about it and really engage with them. Using social media is a great way to promote research. Funders in particular really value engagement and engagement opportunities, and it's great not only in terms of science and academia, but the transferable skills that you are able to develop are really key.